Hey guys, and welcome back to Cara Motorhomes. As you know, we have a showroom stocked full of beautiful motorhomes, but we're going to talk about one in particular today, and that is the 2020 Sunlight T66. As you can see, quite a sporty look for a motorhome, which I think will appeal to a lot of outdoor enthusiasts. It's got an extra large twin bed in the rear that can convert into a double bed, and there's also the option of the make-up single bed in the dinette area. So this vehicle is perfect to comfortably accommodate 3 people. This vehicle is on a Fiat Ducato chassis. It's 2.3 litre engine and 150 brake horsepower. It's automatic, and this motorhome is 6.9 metres in length. As mentioned earlier, there's the extra large bed in the rear with the option of the single makeup bed in the dinette area. And moving on, it has a 4-ring hob, oven/grill, and a large AES fridge freezer. As you can see from the photos, there's plenty of interior storage also. As always, thanks for watching guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or queries, or if you require any further information on this vehicle, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us. You can either email us at info@caramotorhomes.ie, or you can phone us on 069 66 480.